Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uchitha usuku luka Madiba eNelson Mandela Bay lapho kuqhubeka khona umkhankaso wokunqanda ukuphela kwamanzi kulendawo. Uhambisana nezikhulu zikahulumeni wesifundazwe kanye nongqongqoshe wezamanzi nenhlanzeko uSenzo Mchunu. Bavakashele isikhungo sokuhlanza amanzi iNorth kanye namabhitsi agujwe yi-Gifts of the Givers ukubhekana nenqinamba yokugqoza kwamanzi. Asimxoshe bukhoma Umengameli njengoba ekhulumisana nabengamele lesi sikhungo. ULerato Fekisi nguyena olandela lolu daba.
And the difficulties that we face. I've been troubled about the challenges of water kuqhubeka. And now I can see that all levels of government, the minister, the premier and the mayor are making all efforts to resolve the problem and also to push away day zero. And they told me that they are pushing it further and further backwards. And the efforts that they are making prove that to be the reality. So I think with all the staff, the engineers that are here and even the young people who are being brought in to work here for their training and their development, I think we've got something really good going here as a was ukuthi solve the problem elapha.
Umengameli Ramaphosa sithi no kuyawancoma umsebenzi owenziwe ngumasipala ombhaxa ukonga amanzi kulo metro esithi no kuyanethemba kuba uday zero akuzofika kumasipala kodwa ngoku masibele back to the studio.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe uOscar Mabuyane uyingxenye yomkhankaso wokunqanda ukuphela kwamanzi eNelson Mandela Bay.
Work is helping us to push back the challenge of day zero that we are all grappling with. And we believe that with this collective effort and the work of solidarity that we are seeing, we're quite happy as provincial government. And we also happy that the business is coming on board. We need more support. We are appreciating the NGO support. I think business must also come on board. Business can do better. These kind of boreholes, they can also contribute towards that. We need more donation here. This area has been actually drought-stricken for almost 7 years, consecutive years.